All right. Let's see if you can get straight up this cliff right here. Almost to the first grab with that back tire. It's pretty steep. See, he ran up it.
Dude, that's a steep ass hill.
Yeah, you're making it steeper.
I have the power to just bash.
I don't think we need to bash yet. Maybe just get down. Right there, back up and run it. Right between the rocks. Okay, you hit that rock, that's all. Right there. Oh.
Damn.
Problem is you're gonna hit that group of rocks.
Oh! As soon as I was
back off and let Dom run it. Let yours cool off a sec. Okay. This is a brushless Yeti with attitude. Okay then.
It's an animal.
In case you didn't see that, that was a Yeti going by.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if the race can learn from the Yeti.
Yeah, bash.
Run it. You're scratching it, clawing. Oh, it had to take an alternate route, but it did go over the rock pile. There it goes. Nice moves.
Kick it some more.
That battery must have really been dead. Oh yeah, nice crawl down.
Because we didn't want to go down this way. Hold on, let me throw this up there.
Oh, that was nice.
Now that's crawling.
Right?
You got captured in a net. Well,
Poor freaking dolphin.
that's a hazard of playing in the neighborhood dump yard.
Oh, it's in good, man.
Yeah, but it's a dried up creek bed. Methinks me burnt up a mota. It's on its back. It's like me.
Come here, come to me.
Oh, perfect. Hold on down. I didn't get it how I wanted it, but...
Now let's stay right here again for a minute.
What the hell could be causing that?
Oh, that one. That's what I get. Down in there, I'm gonna get the jump over your ass.
wasn't quite there with the camera, Dom. Look how steep this is.
Help me up, man. Let me give me a push.
I'm coming.
That's cool though, stopping on that hill.
That's crawling.
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay, if I get on the high side,
I think you should be able to get me over.
get under this back tire right here. Oh! There's rules to trail and you don't touch each other. You fucker. You non-driving sumbitch.
I got no steering, man. It wasn't my fault.
You shouldn't be down there.
Not with this guy driving.
Really? There's all that ditch and you got to run into me?
You had to come behind me. It's just a bug. It's okay.
Fucking Dom. Welcome to the party, Dom.
Invite me, man.
He comes bashing in over the top. Hey, hey! I'm here. Whoa! Oh, I got to try to climb this hill now.
Okay.
Sorry, that little rock get in your way.
My gallon of glue is there.
Watch out, Ellie. Dom's driving.
Mommy made me slime.
Now I'm going to come back up this steep side.
Dude, that one's tough. You stuck in a log. I don't know. Probably once we run out of battery. Just stay here with me. You keep going up and down.
I got you.
Man, thanks.
Good thing there's a tree next to you. Yeah, I did it.
Oh, now I get it. I was like, what?
I got mine with me too, my Yeti.
You got through.
Ellie.
Oh. Almost had it.
Ooh, 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 he's off trail, but this is even better. Look at that.
Something broke? Oh, your tire.
No, I bet the screw came out because you didn't break that.
No, just bump.
Oh, popped over the knuckle.
Yes, sir.
Make sure the axle goes in.
The draft makes it tough.
No, not for mine for some reason. Did you see the run I took?
I don't like the grass.
No, not when you're floating right on the grass.
I think it's mobbing, dude. I think it's the lower center of gravity on you.
Plus I took those wideners off so it goes through the narrows.
Yeah.
Dom's knuckle snapped off. My knuckle. Oh, that was rude. Gravedigger. Just disrespected. No, don't bash my trucks. Go to the ditch, John. Go to the ditch. To the ditch, Dom. I want to see you climb some stuff. Dom's going full crawler now. Instead of Spaz Yeti brushless.
Oh, I got stuck.
Find the only log. Oh, look at you.
Oh, that's why I hit that big ass rock at the bottom. It stopped it.
Oh, we through the gate. You're fast. Dom did not take time to eat that food. He just swallowed it. The whole trail. Hey. As the mechanic in this situation, I prefer not to see that. Whoa, whoa, the gravedigger might. Hey, he did it. Dom, you gotta.
Yeah.
Dom's gotta make it happen. This little sucker, you gotta crawl in the dirt.
Yeah, it's slicking as shit.
Or get a run at it. Oh. Oh, saves himself. No points lost. Your dip's hooked. Go this, yep. He ain't following nobody. Gravedigger. Oh, showing moves on the field. All right, cameraman's got to. Okay, Dom, this is no longer a challenge to you. You're gonna come over here. Let's see what you got here. Oh, it might have got hot again. Hang on, let me see if it's that connection again. Because this connection is hot. That's like the ones that race on the real race, huh? Oh, you better go straight at it.
I've tried a couple times.
Oh, Yeti went right over it.
I bet it did at high speed.
No, actually, I had to go but bounce it a couple times. There's a picture for you.
Oh yeah, look at this thing. Let me get down here.
Yeah, the back tires just keep digging and go over backwards.
This bad boy.
Girls, be careful.
Nice crawl, Dom. Oh, except for that.
This is a pretty cool crawler place.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring my grabbers and clean up some of this garbage. Look at this. We're about to create. Look at this. No, right here. Look how it's got this run and then it rounds over.
So this whole area.
This whole hill's ours.
Hey, man.
Well, you came at me, bro.
You started it. All right.